Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about substring pattern matching in where clause of select statement. Substring pattern matching. Sometime while trying to remember somebody's name, we remember only a part of his or her name but not the exact name. Then if we have to search for that particular record from a table, how can we do? For that we can use the like clause. Like clause is used to fetch the data which matches the specific pattern from a table. Like clause tells the database management system that we don't want a strict comparison like equal to, less than, or equal to, greater than, but in this case we will be using wildcards for our comparison. So we can say MySQL has wildcards to help you out in this condition. There are two wildcards, percentage sign and underscore. What these signs or these wildcard character indicates. The first symbol is percent symbol. Percent symbol is used to represent any sequence of 0 or more characters. Means एक या एक से ज़्यादा characters का sequence जो अगर represent करना है, or collection of number of characters we can say, that is represented by percent symbol. Another wildcard character is underscore symbol. Underscore symbol is used to represent a single character. How can we use? We will discuss it with the help of some examples. Syntax for like clause in where is select column name, comma, column name 2, comma, column name 3, and so on, where column name like pattern and or and condition has to be given. It will be more clear to you from the example. Suppose to display the details of students who have their names ending with SEN, select statement will be select star from student where name like percent SEN. Here percent wildcard has been used because percent can be used to substitute any number of characters. So fixed characters are SEN at the end, but before SEN any number of characters and any character can be there which should match with the name. From the output you can see the only two records have been extracted and whose name are Jatinder Sen and Samdisha Sen. One more example to display the records from the table student with the name starting with capital G. Statement will be select star from student where name like capital G percentage. So output you can view roll number 2, 5, 9 and 10 records are here where the name is starting with G and after G any name is there. So it is displaying 4 records starting with capital G. Another example is to display the rows which have names starting with capital G and ending with small b. Query will be select star from student where name like G%B means the first letter should be capital G and the last character should be small b. In between capital G and B any number of any characters can be there. From the output you can view the two records are there, roll number 5 George Jacob and roll number 10 Geet Kadam. In both the names First character is capital G and the last character is small b. Let us take one another example. Suppose we have to display the records from the table student which have SEN anywhere in their names. Earlier we have used uh, the query where the SEN was at the end, but in this query SEN is anywhere in the name. It can be in the starting, it can be in middle, it can be at the end. Means SCN should be there in name, but position can be anywhere in the name. So the query will be select star from student where name like percent sane percent. So you can view from the output that it is showing Jatinder Sen, Samdisha Sen along with Geeta Sen Sharma. So in total it is showing you 3 records, and in 2 records SCN is at the end, and in last record you can view SCN is in the middle. Now an example in which we will use another wildcard character, that is underscore. Underscore, as I told you earlier, that it is to substitute only a single character. So in the example you can see to display the rows which have names starting with capital A and then having any 4 characters and ending with Ali. Query will be select star from student where name like A underscore 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 underscore, means 4 times underscore is there, and Ali. Output is 2 records, and 2 records are having name Aman Ali, Ayan Ali. Both are starting with A and at the end Ali is there. More examples. AM percentage. It matches any string starting with capital A M. Means after A M any number of characters can be there. Next is percent sing percent. Means it matches any string containing sing. Sing can be in the starting, sing can be in middle, sing can be at the last. Anywhere in between in any string, sing should be there. Next example, percent small a. It matches any string ending with A, means the last character should be A, but before small a, any number of any characters can be there. Next, 3 times underscore. It matches any string that is exactly 3 characters long. Means number of characters in total should be 3, but these 3 characters can be any character or any group of characters which is having a length 3. Next example, underscore underscore percentage. Matches any string that has at least 2 characters. Means there should be at least 2 characters, but more than 2 characters can also be there in this case. In the previous case, more than 3 characters are not possible, or less than 2 characters are also not possible. But in this case, at least 2 characters, but number of characters, maximum number of characters are not specified. It depends on the uh, data which is stored in the table. Next example, 3 times underscore G. It matches any string that is 4 characters long with any 3 characters in the beginning, but G as the 4th characters. Means at the end, 4th character should be G, but before G, 3 characters can be any character. So these are some of the examples using both the wildcards percent and underscore. Not like. Just like Keyword like, not like can be used to select the rows which do not match the specific pattern which we give in the where clause. So, example is to display rows from the table student that have names not starting with G, means all the records should be displayed but names which are starting with capital G should not be displayed. The query will be select star from student where name not like G%. So that's all for this session. Students, do practice of all the SQL commands which we have discussed till today.